Try Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers.
There it is right there. There it is right there. Right there.
Yes, it is. Right there. Come here. You can see it right there.
I know it's
See it?
Twisting around.
See?
That's it.
That's it. That's the tornado.
That's
Is
a
it
tornado.
coming this
Come here,
way?
Gigi. No, it's going off to the north.
There it is.
Mom, it looks like it's
Thomas,
Behind
can you
the
get down
trees.
there if I tell you
Get
to
off
get
of
your
there.
ass
Get
down
out of
and
there.
run?
You don't want to stand up
It
high.
looks like it's coming this way.
God.
Oh,
That's it
yeah.
right
You have
there.
to
See it?
constantly.
That. This is tornado.
Yeah, it is. Looks like it's lowering.
That's so cool.
It's lowering.
There it is right there.
It's coming right now. Tornado warning.
I know, I listened on Channel 6. That's crazy.
I have a notebook for her. You got to get it.
Wait, it's coming down.
Hello.
It's doing that way. Wait just a minute. I got a necklace for her.
Hello. Hello,
How are you
Jordan.
guys? Alright.
Be careful.
Why are you guys in your bathing?
Yeah, they're right between those trees. Get over here, James. See, there it is right there.
It's going down.
Well, that's what I said, Gigi. But that's it right there. See it twisting? Do you?
Can I get a picture of it? I don't think
I'm getting you a picture.
Can I?
What?
I don't think that's good at all. Can I get a picture?
I've got it right here,
I
James.
want to get a picture of it.
I'm getting it.
I want to get one.
No, I'm doing it today. It's gone now.
I think I'm going both ways.
That's it.
Good thing y'all came in.
Yeah, really.
I can't take a picture of it.
You be able to admit there's another one coming.
Yeah.
It's circling right over this way, Marvin. It's making a right turn.
Oh, not yet. It didn't.
Is it circling
Look
this
at
way?
it. It's circling.
I'm on. I know.
Is it coming this way?
No.
The other one?
Yeah, it's not going south.
You want to look right up here?
Well, all I did was take a picture.
You don't go and get one in the closet.
Closet. Oh my God.
That's going to be kind of close there, folks. There it is right there. Looks like it's coming this way, folks.
I know.
I'd get inside now. Yeah,
Yeah, you won't get in there. Here it comes. Coming this way. Get the car.
there's the sirens. Man.
pawhuska on the ground.
It's right here. This is it right here.
It is moving to the southeast.
I'm looking at it right here. I wouldn't, it's open.
It's getting ready to get wrapped around. We're getting wrapped around the rain.
I know, I'm watching it. I'm sitting there watching
Maybe I
it.
better take them over this.
I wouldn't. You're getting out of breath. It's right there.
It's coming this way, Marvin. Exactly right towards us.
It hadn't moved. It ain't moved anywhere.
You can see it. It's on the ground.
I haven't. Who said? Who?
You can see a picture of it on the TV.
Oh, really? Where's it at?
It's out northwest, is what they said. That's direct north of us.
Yeah, that's a little northwest.
This was out by the airport coming this way. No, it's coming from the northwest, headed southeast.
Yeah.
The one out there is wrapped in rain.
Mm-hmm. I couldn't believe Sean's with his kids heading up that way.
Up what way?
They're going looking for him.
Oh, I thought they were going home.
No, he turned right.
Well, it's gone up.
Yeah. Now we've met the cool air.
Come on over us and get it over with, guys. Don't drop one on us.
He's out there with his video camera,
Oh,
whatever his name
Okay.
is. There's one. There's. Look at that. Look at that right there.
yep. It's coming into town.
That thing looks like it's alive. That thing looks like it's alive.
Ocean now.
Huh?
Ocean.
Oh hell, that's
There's still one coming in. Two pawhuskas.
no the one. This one here is right here.
The one that's coming into town is wrapped in rain.
Yeah.
Here it comes. This is
I think that's the strongest. I think it's the strong part's over with, except the rain. Well, there was one over by the light plant. Well, I hope it don't hit Mom's new car. Whoa! We got winds that's going every which way. Hell, I'm going in. Now I'm inside. Where it's a little safer. Yeah, that's over with here.